Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to connect an Epson L3252 on your network without using a cable. So now sometimes it happens you don't have the cable, the network cable, or you don't have, it takes a USB cable, right? So this so now it's going to depend on the router you're using or a modem you're using. So look for your modem, and then once you find a modem, I'm using a Huawei modem Wi-Fi 6 Plus. On this router there is the WPS. Look at the WPS button. So you can see this light is stable, right? It's gonna depend on your router. You might have a different router, but look for the WPS. So if you get a WPS, what I'm gonna do, you do it, but then what will happen to see that it's working, your router should blink. The lights should blink, especially the lights of Wi-Fi and stuff, whatever, it's gonna blink, right? So then this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna press this and hold. Once I press and hold, I'm telling this that I'm gonna give you a device to link up to. So this one is still here. So what I'm gonna do on this one, I'm gonna press here. Okay, once I press there, okay, I'm pressing and hold, also telling it that please sync for some network. Once it's synced, these two lights are gonna be on. So let's give it time. Let's give it some time. Okay, you can see these two lights are coming on the same time, but they should stop and be solid. That means it's gonna be connected. You can see on your router still it's blinking. It might take some time, but don't worry. Be patient, everything is going to be fine. Okay, once that happens, we're going to add it here. We're going to say add device, then we add it. It will come. So let's wait, let's give it time. Let's give it time until it stops, it's blinking. Okay, also that is blinking also. No, not yet. Sometimes it can take more time, but it's okay. That one is done. This one is still blinking here, so let's see. That one is solid. It's solid. Let's see here if we can try to say add machine. It's gonna come. Yes, it's here, right? We got it. So in normal circumstances, all these two should be on. So you see we have it. So it simply means we have it. It's a L3252. That's what we also see here, right? So I'm going to double click on that. It says connecting. I'm gonna click on it so that I get drivers. Wow, it's done. You can see once it's done, it's gonna say print paper. Yeah, then yeah, well, that's it. That's the way you do this. Printing and stuff is gonna be a different thing. So but we connected in yeah, we connected. You saw we did search for it and got it. machine has its own issues, but that's the reason why I put it there. So you can see this is the machine. So but on the machine, on the drivers, it doesn't show exactly, because they use the same drivers with another machine like 3250. It's 3252, 3250 and all that. Let me try this. Preferences. You might as well switch off the machine and switch back. Properties. Yeah, it's the one, but it doesn't have. Okay, we can use this. Set as default because it's the same drivers. Let's see, preferences. Yeah, I wanted this maintenance. So, power clean. That's what I want to do. I want to do a couple of things. Let me see. I can switch on the machine and off, but the machine is connected. The reason why I connected it, I want to fix this error, that blinking error. So okay, so yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video. So remember, the routers might not be the same, but the machine should be. So this is what I want to show you. So you can see I did switch off the machine back. Now these two are solid. That means it's 100% connected. You get me? So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video. So when I try, you can stop the video and do your stuff, because that's what we were doing. Anyway, this was the machine 3250 preferences. It doesn't have drivers, this one. Okay, yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks, and hope to see you in the next video.